So just a quick explanation of the BMW system. This is the BMW ICOM A, which is the fundamental VCI that the whole system is based around. You'll also need a fairly powerful laptop. BMW's insistence is that it has a 1TB hard drive, 16GB of RAM, and at least an i5 dual-core processor. There's quite a lot of software involved, and there's quite a lot of functionality will be dropped, and internet speed needs to be pretty high as well. With the ICOM A, this can be used on all types of vehicles, from the old E-series vehicles, E-chassis, with a special piece of software called ISTP for programming those types of vehicles, right up to the new G-series chassis vehicles. There are some additional functions that this has as well. You're actually able to add an extra lead, a 20-pin lead for the older pre-2001 vehicles, and also a Motrad lead for the motorcycles when you're using those. So altogether it's a pretty comprehensive package. Just ask us for your price and specification. Training is a 2-day course, but we will give you initial training with every package. Thank you.